Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? If else statement, switch case, while loop, for in loop, and loop control. Let's start coding. Let's create our first if statement. We need a variable before starting our statement. Let's create a variable. Let age equal 25. Let's start our if statement. If, and we need to use our variable age, let's say greater than 15. And we put curly braces and we return a message. Console log. You can type any message you want. Let's say age is greater than 15. And curly brace. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our message because that variable value is greater than that value. Let's make them 35. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we can't see the message because our age is not greater than 35. In this case, we use else to display another message. We use else and curly brace and type your message. Let me copy that one and paste it here, and let's say the age is not greater than 15. Let's change that values 35 and 35. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see the second message because age variable value is not greater than 35. Let me comment them out and create another if statement. I'm going to use two different variables for that example. Let weather equal 30 degree, and let's create our statement. If weather greater than 30, console log it is hot and semicolon. And I want to use one more if, but this time we are going to use a little bit different. We need to put first else, then if. And whether greater than 40, and our message console log it is very hot. And else console log it is not hot. If you want, you can use more than one. Let's copy and paste one more time. And let's say 50, very hot. We need to put another curly brace here because we need to close that curly brace. Let's save and have a look at it. You see guys, it's saying it is not hot because our weather value is not greater than 30. Let's make it that one 35 and save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see that message. It is hot. Let's make it 55 and save it and have a look at it, and we see the still same message, but we want to see that one, right? But 55 means is also greater than 30, 40 and 50. So we should add some other things. As you remember, we have learned operators. So we can use our operators here. We need to use AND statement and whether less than 40. Let's save it and have a look at it one more time. You see guys, we see the second one. It is very hot because weather value is also bigger than 40. Let's put another statement here too, and weather less than 50. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see the latest one. It is very hot. That one, because our weather value is 55. Let's put another limit for that one. Weather less than 100. Let's save it and have a look at it. We see the same message again. Let's change that one. Let's make it 5 and save it and have a look at it. It is not hot. We see that message because our value doesn't match any condition in our statement. It just mentioned here, and that's why we see that message. Let's make it that one 30 and let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it's saying it is not hot because we say the weather must be greater than 30. But we can use another operator equal. So it means weather can be equal to 30 or greater than 30. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see it is hot. Let's have a look at our operators one more time. In this example, we use greater, less, greater or equal, or less and equal. Let's use less and equal. You just need to put here, let's say 40. Let's make it 40 and have a look at it. Save it, then check it. It's showing still hot because our weather value is equal 40. Let's have a look at the rest of them. We also use AND logic and we can use OR and NOT logic too. Let's have a look at it. Let me comment them out. And let's create two different variables. Let A equal 10 and let B equal 20. Let's create our statement with logic operator. If A is not equal B, console log they are not equal and semicolon, and else let me copy that message and paste it here. They are equal. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, they are not equal. Let's make it B value 10 as well and save it and have a look at it. They are equal. Let me comment them out and let's create another statement for OR operator. If A greater than 10 or A less than 20 and curly brace. Console log, let's say value is between 10 and 20. Let me get it up and let's put another condition, else console log value is not between 10 and 20. Let me make it wider. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see value is between 10 and 20. Our value is 10. When we look at our statement, we have two conditions. One of them is being greater than 10 and the other one is being less than 20. So in this condition, our A value is less than 20. It is not greater than 10. So it is saying that statement is true and we see that message on our console. Let's make it 40. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, value is between 10 and 20. Let's have a look at one more time. Our value is 40. So our value is not less than 20, but it is greater than 10. So that's why we see that value. If you want to have an exact value between 10 and 20, we can use AND operator here. Let's save it and have a look at it. Value is not between 10 and 20 because our value is 40. So we can use and OR operators like this. We will use that operator and statement in our project. It's going to be very easy to understand. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.